Hey, what's going on, dudes? Welcome back to another Minecraft video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to moonwalk in Minecraft. So I am on the Hypixel server. That was a failed attempt at moonwalking. So, how you guys moonwalk is, do you guys see me drag clicking and my D? So, hit those at the same time while you look kind of like at this part of the block. Boom, you moonwalk. I'd say every like 10 blocks you should kind of break and go up. That's when I usually go up, but what the heck happened? Okay, anyway, so yeah, if you kind of stop every 10-ish blocks, then you should be good. If you feel like you can't, like, why is this happening? If you feel like you just can't keep drag clicking, or you just lose confidence, stop, go up a few layers, and keep going. My goal is to get from this side to the other side. I've only done it one time. It's pretty difficult. So, yeah, it's really hard. Just drag click, press D at the same time. And it also works with A. So if you hold S and D and you click A and right click, it works too. I don't usually do it this way. I used to, but then I found the D way was a lot better, and I suggest it. On a normal game, your blocks won't disappear. I don't know why that's happening. It's weird. So, that's really how you do it. You can also do it with breezily bridging. I actually got a lot further than I thought. You can also God bridge. For some reason, my blocks are disappearing, and that's annoying. But this is all about moonwalking, and it's just as simple as that. A lot of people think it's harder than it really is. So, if you guys just take enough time to practice it, then you will get it. I'm still learning how to do it completely. Like, I just don't practice enough, but if I practiced enough, then I'd definitely be a lot better at it. So that's really the end of the tutorial. If you guys enjoy, hit the like button down below. My most popular videos are like 8,000 views at this point. If this video can pass that, that would be absolutely hilarious. My goal is for you guys to, I guess, for this to help you guys. And that's really it. Please subscribe. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. Alright, that's it. Goodbye.